Okay, I'm back and I'm going to show you how to use Blackshades. First, you have to extract it to your desktop. Next, you open up HID and Hardware ID 2. You need to copy these. One of them works, one of them doesn't. Depends on your computer. It'll open up a little pop-up box. And with this, you need to copy it. Then you can open up Client. Client is the main program. You would type your hardware ID into this, but it won't work because the login server is not open. This is the crack for the program. Once you click login again, it'll work. And you have to leave this open once Blackshades is up. You can just minimize it. So here is the cracked Blackshades. First thing you have to do is create a server. This is where you would type in your IP. You can find that Googling what is my IP. To test it on yourself, you can do this. You can leave these how you want. Doesn't matter. Check whatever you want. Do not use ActiveX. You can use HKCU. You can just type in whatever. Click generate on the mutex and click build. This will now show up in here, whatever you named it. And then if you send that file to your friend or brother, sister, whatever, and they opened it, they would appear on your list. But if you're doing it within your own house, you have to use your internal IP address, or router IP. So I've saved some trouble, and I have a virtual machine. So I can show you what it looks like on both sides. Once I open this, I'll show up on here. Wait, forgot you have to click activate. Under settings, you have to click activate. And there I am. So, shows IP and all that other stuff. You can, I'll let you figure out some of the stuff. You can capture audio. I can't because I'm recording this. There's keylogger. It only works if you type something. Alright. The entire log from current server. Give it a second. And there it is. And it says what you typed it in. The live logger I showed in the last video shows what's being typed instantly, basically. So easy to get their username and password just like that, if they're trying to get on at the time. Form grabber, probably won't use that. Screenshot. Shows you all that. Oh, where'd it go? Takes a active screenshot. You can click through the screen, see I can click through here, it'll click there, click name, and it changed everything. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You can also type through it. This, you can change the size and quality. The higher it is, the slower the screenshots will load. You can play around with it. Webcam won't do that, but pretty easy to use. Same thing, you might have to change the quality on it. Network, denial of service. If you have enough people, you can select them all and click DDoS. Illegal, use at your own risk. Network statistics. Proxy, you can use someone else's computer as your internet to change your IP. Reverse relays, something like that. Redirect and block URLs. It updates the host file. You can block websites, or you can make it where if they type in Runescape, it goes to your own website. Sniffer, if they log into like Facebook, it'll record their username and password. Website visitor, that's really fun. Type in whatever you want. You can use it for prank sites. Open it, pops up internet, goes to the site. You can probably have fun with that. Think of your own sites. You can see information about the computer. You can go through their files. You can delete files. Look at the processes. You can kill the process. If someone's on RuneScape, you can search for Java, and if you kill Java, it'll make RuneScape freeze, and you can log on their account before they do, because they'll have to refresh their page. You can look at registry, services, attach USB devices and stuff. You can see what active windows they have up. You can download files and execute them. You can do that with a picture, a link to a picture. It'll open up a picture too. There is Clipboard Manager. I'll show you what that does. Right now, here, I can copy this. Clipboard is high. I can also type in something, click set, and if I paste, it will say whatever you type in there. There is a fun manager. It really is fun. Start Crazy Mouse. The mouse goes all over the screen, but can't control it. Stop it. Add desktop icons. Show. Can add the taskbar, so there's nothing on the desktop. Can open the CD tray, close it, reverse the mouse, block input, send a message box, pops up, and change the wallpaper. You have to have a URL to a picture. You can have fun with that. You can say something. Slow motion. Don't know if you could hear that, but I could. You can set to max volume, mute volume, unmute, start screensaver. can restart, log off, shut down the computer, turn off the monitor, turn on the monitor. Okay. Passwords. Set this up. I already saved 2 passwords. You can list passwords. Usually gets internet, Firefox, all around the passwords. They show up right there. There it is. Spreading. So you can see torrents. I'll let you figure out what hijacker is. You can chat with them. Me. You. As soon as you say something, it will pop up a box that they cannot close or move. So if you want to have a chat with your person, your friend, you can. It goes back and forth. Okay, when you close it, it closes. You can post on their wall the Facebook controller. You can see their friends and stuff on Windows Messenger. Play with their cookies. And that's about it. So you can, it's just an example of everything that there is. You can play around with it. Here, let's see. Copy the link. Change wallpaper. Cannot find it. And should change the wallpaper. Well, it's there. Isn't that weird? Done Windows. That would work. So if you want, when you're done, you can remove the server. And it would remove file. So yeah, that's it. I posted a link. If you need help, you can message me. As you can see, I Photoshop this to blue. And that's it.